Guess what? We got something else for the car. Check this out. This is a window visor, the side window visors. It protects rains, winds, and everything like that. Installing it on my car, so it could be useful for you to install yours whenever you want to do it. You feel me? You're gonna have to be DIY this shit. Do it yourself. You don't need to go to any dealership or any shop. They're gonna be charging you some extra fee. So what you're just gonna do it yourself, enjoy the process, and it's just gonna be fun. You know, whenever you say on your car, you're definitely gonna appreciate it because you did it yourself. All right, so let's do this. This are for the right side, and these are for the left side. The first thing you definitely want to do is making sure you roll all your windows down. So you have to roll all your windows down so you will to get a perfect fit and alignment. So you feel me? So this is what we're gonna be doing right now. I'm gonna be rolling all these windows down. And after that, we're gonna before removing the tapes, we're gonna come back here, text it out if it fits perfectly. And after that, we could just go ahead and getting the tape off and just taping it right here, and that's about it. We want to go ahead, you know, rolling down on the window. Then we just go ahead. We're gonna be starting from the right side, the front right side. All right, all right. So what we're gonna be doing right now is that I said earlier that we're gonna make sure we align this all the way down. We're gonna align that way. Yeah, we're gonna align this to the side door trim. So we go all the way down. When you confirm it fits perfectly to your satisfaction, so what you're just gonna do is you take this tape off. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna be taking this off. Then a little bit of this side, of each side basically. A little bit of this other side as well. See? Just like that. So we're gonna go ahead, you know, aligning this right here. Want to make sure it fits properly. So by the time you start closing your door, it won't break, you know. So we make sure you align it properly. Here, push this down, to get the grip properly. So when you do these, all you just have to do after that is just, taking the peel off. You're gonna go all the way down and, just push it in, to get this shit stick. You just want to stick it right here. That's it. No biggie. And it's definitely gonna be the same thing we're gonna do for the other three sides. Literally the same thing. You just want to make sure the tape glues properly on the surface. And boom. Here we go. Check this out. We got this. See that? So we're gonna be doing the same thing for this back side. I'm not gonna be showing you the way I did the other side because it's literally the same process. So all you just gotta do is just do the same thing you did to the other side and you're good to go. I mean, this is definitely a universal way to install a sound visor to the side.
Activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'ma fly about it. Catch you at the club.